Imagine writing an entire document without a delete key. One mistake meant starting the page all over again. That was everyday life for writers using vintage typewriters. But over the last century, writing tools have evolved from heavy mechanical machines to intelligent AI systems that can write entire paragraphs in seconds. So how did we go from clacking metal keys to artificial intelligence? In the late 1800s, writing technology took its first major leap with the invention of the typewriter. One of the most influential designs came from Christopher Latham Sholes. His early machines were purely mechanical. When a typist pressed a key, metal lever lifted, type bar swung forward, a letter struck an ink ribbon, and the imprint appeared on paper. Every word required physical force. There were no electronics, no memory, no undo button, just gears, springs, and precision engineering. By the mid-20th century, engineers began adding electricity to typewriters. One of the most famous machines was the IBM Selectric. Instead of dozens of type bars, it used a rotating type ball, often nicknamed the golf ball when a key was pressed. A motor rotated the ball, the correct letter aligned, and the machine struck the page automatically. This eliminated many common problems like type bar jams and uneven printing. Typing became faster, smoother, and far more efficient. By the 1980s, typewriters began merging with computer technology. Companies like Brother Industries Canon Incorporated introduced electronic typewriters with small displays. For the first time, writers could preview text on a screen, delete mistakes before printing, store small amounts of text in memory. This marked the birth of word processing technology. By the 1990s, personal computers began replacing typewriters entirely. Software like Microsoft Word changed the way people wrote documents. Suddenly, writers had powerful tools: instant editing, spell check, formatting options, digital storage. Documents no longer existed only on paper. They became digital files that could be saved, copied, and shared instantly. Despite all these technological advances, one thing has remained the same. Every writing tool, from typewriters to AI, exists for one purpose: to turn human ideas into words. The machines have evolved, but creativity still begins in the human mind. From mechanical keys to artificial intelligence, the tools of writing have changed dramatically. But the power of a good idea still begins with the person behind the keyboard.